Katkum kajing ong ka DCPU ka jila Karnataka kajing wanra no yaki Khynnah ibana Meghalaya ba pulih Karnataka kadai nama balayo Jingujor bumbiang ka jakasa kabam kadi nol bahaka sekolah Hikai deketin Kannada kabam sutu ha baklan mentang kasngi ka atari no pra aja pesan syagila patai kubur hasil long ka bi nutaj ka DCPU ka Chik Kaba Parapura distrik Karnataka klaong balai la register haka anyi yaki bor penyai ka school bakisa kini Khynnah bat ke bayalam ya kiru ndai ka ong ba omla ban ya thu yaki ba ujo na mar ba kadai kamram ban bure yaki tang jongki ka ong ba yo jing ujo na ka na uchai have number iway not knai pra jong ke jela Karnataka ba ke Khynnah kim su thu ba Hikai tin Kannada nol ba ke jing bam ru kim long di ba koi ba khia ya kini ki Khynnah ki badon up sangot lawan ra mentaka sengi hasilong da atri ki borsrit ha ka baladon ka jing pediang yagi ha office ka social welfare rangkat ka jenelang ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ka akatha ki sangma ka director ka kong Dorin Longwa bat ki kmi pa bagi bahai si haying hasem yogi ki Khynnah.
We got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098 by the local aids people saying that the children were not able to understand the language. They were being admitted to the government school which teaches Kannada language of all the subjects, and they were not able to adjust with the food. They used to cook once in 5 days. Okay, that was being served for the children, and there was no proper hygiene also. The water they had to get from the river and they have to drink it. Okay, they should not waste the food. If the food is thrown in the dustbin, they have to eat from the dustbin. Like this much severe condition was there going on. Even if they don't eat, they used to beat them. So we have filed an FIR on the warden and also the institution and also on the person who took the children from here to there on the leave of providing the best education for them and betraying the trust of the parents.
What is the name of that organization, madam?
There in Bagipalli, it is the name of Aim for Seva Trust. Aim for Seva Trust. So this Linksa Society has transferred these kids for the Aim for Seva Trust of Bagipalli, Chikbalapur.
How did you first notice?
Sir, I got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098.
Who complained?
So we cannot disclose that. Karnataka children's okay, but not the other state. So these children mainly the problem was with their food and with their language, and also by the language differences they used to like ragging types they used to do other children. This was the thing happening. Okay. Below 18 years.
Below 18 years. Also, I wanted to find out, were these children, they had any bruises or were they brutally beaten?
No.
Okay, and they're mainly all female?
Yes, all females.